So if you not only want to be as healthy as possible, but you want to live longer and healthier and reverse aging, nothing is better for you than a 100% plant-based diet. All right, cool. And I'm here for you if you need me, okay? You just send me a text message. I'm happy to help you out, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Bye.
Bye. So I just got off the line with a mother and daughter pair, and it's always fun when I get to meet people's family, but I'm trying to help the daughter with reversing lupus. But the mother had a question at the end of, whether or not she really needed to do any of this because she's actually not sick. She's doing pretty well, but she wants to be as healthy as possible. So there are actually really great benefits to eating 100% plant-based, even if you're healthy and not trying to reverse a disease at all. So number one, of course, the same diet that reverses diseases can make you disease-proof. If you're eating especially a high raw plant-based diet, you're getting in your omega-3s and lots of cruciferous vegetables, you're going to be much healthier than other people. You're not going to get sick as often. My kids almost never get colds. Literally years go by where no one in my house gets any kind of cold at all. So when you're eating really well, you're not going to get sick. I myself have been lupus-free for 14 years now by eating this way. But there's even more benefit than that. There's a process that happens when we age where there's part of our DNA that gets shortened over time. The end of your DNA is called a telomere, and the telomere is a nonsense portion of your DNA that is there because every time your DNA replicates, it gets trimmed on the edges a little bit. And the nonsense portion protects the important portion, right? So if it trims the edges, but the edges are nonsense, your DNA is still intact. Well, over the years, as you get older, that telomere gets shorter and shorter every time your DNA replicates. So when aging really starts to occur, when people start to notice that their body's not working as well as it used to, that is because the telomeres have now gotten so short that the actual DNA is being disrupted during the replication process. Now, when I went to medical school and when I did genetic research for a couple of years at Carnegie Mellon, what I learned was this was inevitable. That is aging. Your telomeres get shorter over time. That's what happens when people get older. But there's been some amazing research done that's proven that's not necessarily so. Dr. Dean Ornish had a great study where they showed that when they put people on a plant-based diet, something miraculous happened. The telomeres got longer. We used to think that was impossible. So if the telomere is getting longer, that is literally reversal of the aging process. So if you not only want to be as healthy as possible, but you want to live longer and healthier and reverse aging, nothing is better for you than a 100% plant-based diet. Pretty cool, huh?